Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancy released by NTPC Limited. So let's start the video. Friends, NTPC Limited has released the recruitment notification for experienced professional in finance domain on fixed term basis. So friends, these are all contractual job for 3 years and may be extended for 2 more years and not a permanent job. So friends, the first post is of executive for CA CMA Inter. There are total 50 vacancies. So here the qualification asked is graduate from recognized university. Along with that, CA Inter or CMA Inter is required, and experience asked is minimum 2-year post qualification experience. And do keep this in mind, your articleship experience will not be counted. Here upper age limit is 30 years and the remuneration, that is your monthly consolidated salary, will be around 71,000. Additionally, HRA benefits and medical facility will be provided to you. So that's really a handsome amount that they are offering for CA Inter as well as CMA Inter candidates. Now the second post is related to executive finance for CA CMA candidate. There are 20 posts and the qualification asked is graduate along with CA CMA, and here also 2-year post qualification experience is required. Here upper age limit is 35 years. Friends, here consolidated monthly amount will be 90,000 payable to you, and apart from that you will be paid HRA, retention benefit and medical facilities. The third post is executive finance CA CMA A. There are 10 posts in this category and the qualification is same, that is graduate from recognized university and a fully qualified CA/CMA, and here the experience asked is minimum 5 years post qualification experience. Upper age limit is 40 years. Friends, here the monthly consolidated remuneration will be 1,25,000, and apart from that you will be paid HRA, retention benefit and medical facility of the company. So for executive finance CA/CMA Inter, 50 posts are there, out of which 22 are for unreserved category candidate, rest are all for reserved category candidate. And for executive finance CA CMA with 2 years of experience, there are 20 posts, 10 are for unreserved and rest are all for reserved category. And for executive finance CA CMA A category, here experience asked is 5 years. There are 10 vacancies, and for unreserved candidate 6 vacancies are there, and rest are all for reserve category candidate. Now period of engagement, as I already mentioned, friends, it will be of 3 years, which can be further extended for 2 years based upon the requirement and performance of the candidate. Now some general conditions. So friends, here your selection will be based on a written test for this post, but chances are they will directly shortlist the candidate and call for interview only. Now how to apply? Friends, you have to apply through online mode only by visiting website of the company under career.ntpc.co.in, and through which you have to apply. An application fee is rupees 300, and for SC ST PWBD SM category and female candidate there is no application fee. Friends, online application is already started from 5th March and last date is 19th March 2025. So if you are meeting the eligibility criteria and wants to apply for this vacancy, then do fill up this application form. You have to keep in mind that these are only contractual jobs and not permanent job. It is for 3 years, which may be further extended for 2 years, but you should not think in that way that is just a contractual job. These 3 years spent in NTPC will give you immense experience and will add to your resume for experience in a PSU or government organization, which is usually asked by all the PSU companies where they are asking for experienced candidate. So do fill up this application form if the meeting the eligibility criteria. You'll get a good package also. So that's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.